Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, as of right now, we are testing these exponential moving averages as support. Ideally, what we're looking for, of course, is a strong bullish engulfing candle to try to retake this resistance here around the 17 to 18 mark and try to get over this crucial resistance level over here and find it as support. Looking at the price analysis of Luna Classic, you can see that this level has acted as a very strong support slash resistance. So this is the level the bulls will have to try to break above, find as support, and then the continuation in order for us to say we are in a short-term bull trend. Of course, right now on Luna Classic, pretty much every single liquidity grab that we see is an opportunity to short. You can see we found some midterm support right over here, but we haven't retested this 14 support level as of right now. I'm still leaning towards, of course, testing this level once again, whether we see it once we hit this 18 mark and then a downside, or of course if we have a nice pullback opportunity to around this 22 and then the continuation, this 14 level will definitely be retested once again, because of the fact that when you have support levels like this, they usually get tested 2 or 3 times before the continuation, whether it is going to be going to the upside or the downside. Speaking of the downside, of course, is I would like to have a nice position here around the 86 mark, because this on our daily support is a very strong support level. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see that this level acted as a very strong support overall, as well as a very strong resistance before we finally saw this massive breakout formation on Luna Classic. I did want to talk about, of course, the fact that for the first time in a while, we are starting to see the exponential moving averages actually start to consolidate instead of having towards a downtrend, right? You can see that pretty much all the way from up here around the 26 mark, the exponential moving averages started to act as resistance, and since then we started pushing lower and lower. But as of right now, we are entering in a neutral territory, and it's starting to look like they might actually be looking for an uptrend move on Luna Classic. Much like the other coins, we are starting to see some gains happen, but Luna Classic, of course, is always lagging behind, and it is the weekend, so we are expecting a lack of liquidity. But I did want to point out the fact that if we do test this 18 level like we kind of saw over here, and we see a nice wick to the downside, that's going to be a beautiful confirmation to us to actually start looking for that shorting position overall. At the hourly time frames, you can see that we are pretty much hovering right in between these exponential moving averages as well, but we are starting to see more and more bearish engulfing candles. You can see that we have some very large move sets over here, and of course it shows that the bears are obviously in control. Of course, from the bullish case scenario, if we do look at the hourly time frames, what we are trying to look for is something like this, where the exponential moving averages actually act as a support as we slowly ladder upwards. Right now, of course, we are overbought on the RSI, so we are expecting a nice pullback. But speaking of the hourly, we can see that this level specifically is a very strong resistance level for Luna Classic. When we broke between this level, I made a video 2 days ago mentioning the fact that this is going to be a very crucial level because of the fact that this acted as a decent support once we saw the break formation, and as soon as we saw this bullish engulfing candle, I mentioned this is where the bulls are going to be taking some profits. As of right now, though, we can see that we've already tested this level multiple times on the hourly, and we are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks breaking to the downside. Ideally, what we want to see, of course, is a strong bullish engulfing candle break above this midterm resistance on the hourly, and then a continuation to the 18 level, and then decide whether or not we will be continuing pushing back downwards, or if this is going to be a nice strong bull trap and then the continuation. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.